80% dropshipper fails because of they choose the wrong supplier and very bad supplier. I see a lot of my dropshipping friend who scammed by at the beginning. They didn't choose the right supplier. Even they failed and they lost even thousands of dollars. So my friend, in this video I will show you why you will work with a very reliable supplier like me. I will show you my work system, my proof, and then you will know everything, how fulfillment work and how you will choose the right supplier. Okay, so first of all, as normally you will go to AliExpress or other dropshipping wholesale platform like Alibaba, AliExpress, and you will find any product by your choice. Okay, then you will go to you will find a very reliable supplier. So what is the systems? So I will show you my AliExpress and you will find any lot of client messaging me. Why? This is all of my client message, because I have Facebook groups. I will show you right now. Wait. So this is also one of my client who had sent request. Okay, so this is a client, for example, send me, hi, saw you see my post, I need web. Okay, so I sent client a message and he replied me. Okay, and you can see that lot of client messaging me, sending friend request. Okay, I will show you another message. So this is one of my new client. Yesterday we talked. So this client need of some clothing product, or yeah, so I sent him price. Okay, yes, so these are the picture I sent him and this is the price. Okay, so client sent me jeans. Okay, so I have told jeans product picture I will send you later. Okay, and now I will show you our Facebook groups. So groups has almost 11k members, and this is our LinkedIn groups. It's also 11k members. Okay, and in here everyone's all of my group members share their problem, their success story, and how they can earn more and scale more their dropshipping business. Okay, so your job will be, you would need a proof. Okay, so I showed you my proof, and also I will show you my WhatsApp proof that every day we are handling 10,000 plus order. For example, this is one of my new client, Marcus. So he told that, amazing, tell me if you need any help there. We are currently getting about 10 orders, my client saying, only SEO. So we can handle like 20 to 30 orders. He's saying that he will scale it, he will go to paid ads. Okay, so and we told that there's okay, wait, this is my WhatsApp, you can check. Okay, this is my WhatsApp, so it's not fact. I see 135 orders a day. He asking, can we fulfilled? So my partner, all has been said that all has been fulfilled, please update later, I prepared the bill. Okay, and he told that order number 1123, the shipping address should be scam head. Okay, so my partner updated it. Okay, so this is the process. I mean, how? Okay, we will take your store binding system. Okay, so you will just give a store code number, for example, how we bind the store. So definitely you will have Shopify store. So from your Shopify store you will just give access. Okay, these are the apps you have to download, and then this all permission you have to give, order, product, catalog. Okay, and then thank you, I will check. So we will bind our system. Okay, store. So your stores, every permission we will get, I mean for the order information. Okay, it's not for like others like account, finance. Okay, no need, there's no need. Just from the setting you will give a code number. Okay, so these are the systems client gave us permission, then we will bind. Okay, this is very simple. This is the code number. You will just give this code number from your Shopify app permission. Okay, then we will bind. Very simple. And then I will show you the systems that how we in our backend, in our system, how we process order. Okay, So this is the order, like our every day is like awaiting 26 orders is waiting. Okay, I mean it's yesterday order. So these are the orders how we fulfilled. Okay, so for example, okay, you can see that China division order fulfillment, because we fulfill order from our Chinese warehouse and our entire processing system from the apps. Okay, so this is like client page. So every order's clients paid us. Okay, and when client paid us from our backend system, we will see that client already paid. You can pay from your Shopify, or we will give you payment link. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, PayNow, no problem. And then we will see that every order's payment is done, and then definitely the order tracking number will be updated, generated. Okay, because my work is like marketing to bringing more. Okay, so this is the systems that we fulfill for Norway, 5 to 8 days. Okay, these are the height, because it's for client privacy, and we fulfilled order within 5 to 8 days. Okay, and you can see that is the check mark, and orders have been fulfilled and delivered. Okay, and this is the recent orders, like this July of 1 to 3 date. Okay, so my friend, and I will also give you very better service. Okay, no problem. And okay, wait one moment, this is my some preview of my work system, that my client from the Austria, he said that very good and reliable agent, fast delivery and thanks, found in 20 minutes, react fast. Okay, very fast, expert in his business. Okay, so also I showed you my Facebook in my groups. Okay, you will see that how many audience or how many clients they are handling. Okay, order. Okay, so this is the very system that we can. And also you can see that lot of client messaging me every day. Very simple. Okay, so thank you my friend. So just find a good supplier, and if you have a running order, no problem, just comment below, or every contact details you will found in my video description. Okay, just comment below or contact me, then we can make a good business. Okay,